Hello, dear. Welcome to my YouTube channel, General Knowledge Factory. Today, I will teach about the matrix multiplication. So, first of all, we should know about the when will possible of the matrix multiplication. When will be possible? So, you should know about the order. So, how we can know about the matrix multiplication, and then we have a trick. Tell about this when the number of columns of first matrices number of columns of first matrices is equal to the number of the rows of the second matrix. Number of rows of second matrices. If columns of the first matrices and the number of rows of second matrices are equal, means your multiplication is possible. You can multiply these matrices. So we first of all take an example of the matrices, it will be possible or not. So an example here is that suppose A is a matrices, and here is the 3 and 2 we taken, and here's the B matrices, which is the 2 and 3. So now first of all we check the possibility. So here is the order. The order is the 2 by 1. Here is the 2 rows and 1 column, and this is the order is a 1 by 2. So already we see about the number of columns equal to the number of rows, means here is the both are equal. It means possible, because here is the columns of the first matrices and here is the rows of the second matrices. So both are equal, means is a multiplication is possible. So how we can multiply now? So first of all, write a multiply b is a possible. So right here is the members of the a, and the second is multiply 2 by 3. Okay, so when you are multiply, then you should know, take the rows of first columns and multiply to the second matrices columns. So here's the we can write here. So here is the first row multiply with the first column of the second matrices. So here is the only one member in this row. Here is the only one member in the column. So simply is 3 multiplied by 2. So first row is completed multiplied to the first column of the second matrices. So this first row will multiply with the column of the second matrix of the second column, because all rows will multiply to the second matrices columns. So here is the first row second column, it will be multiplied now 3 multiplied by 3. So here is the rows are same and column is changed, so we started is in second column here. So 3 multiplied by 3. So because rows same but column is changed, so here we write a new column, second column. So this first row is multiplied with matrices of the second column. So here is a finish. We'll now start with second row. So here we will start from the second row. So second row will multiply first column. So 2 multiplied by 2, and it will multiply the second column, 2 multiplied by 3. So you should know, you should keep in the mind, it will be always the same multiplier. So always will be same. If there is changing, means you are multiplication is wrong. So here's the 2 multiplied 3 is the 6, 2 multiplied 2 4, 3 multiplied 3 9, 2 3 is 6. So here's the your answer 6 9 4. If we multiply same b multiply a, if we take in same example b multiply a, is it possible or not? So first we check the order. So b order is 1 by 2. Here is the b is 1 by 2, and a order is 2 by 1. It means it will be possible, because here is the number of columns and number of rows are equal. so it will be the equal. So take another other example, square matrices. So suppose if A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 2 3, so is it is possible or not? Is a B. So here we first we check the possibility. So here's the how many columns, here's a two columns, so two columns, and here's a two rows, means it is a possible. Okay, so here's the right 1 2 3 4 multiply 2 3. So taking the first row, multiply the second column, first row multiply with the second matrix is first column, here is the first column. Okay, so first row first member will multiply with the first matrix's first member, means 1 multiply by 2. So here's the same row continue, so we will use the positive, and same row will second member will multiply with the second column's member, so 3 multiply by 3. So rows finish, first row will completely multiply the second matrices, so it's finish here. Now second row will multiply with the first column, so here is the first member will multiply with the first member, same row continue, you use plus, and the second member will be multiply with the second member, 4 multiply by 3. So here we see that the multipliers always are the same, means you are correct. So further we go on, 1 multiply by 2 plus 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, and plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 11 and 16. So how you can decide what will be the answer order? So here's the your answer order about the first so this will decide the outer extreme order will be decide the your answer multiplication order what will be. So here's the one by one, if we check here's the here's check by 2, and here's the 2, means your answer will be then 2 rows and 2 columns. So here we see that already 2 rows and 2 columns. So here's also, here we see the order, here is the orders 2 by 2 order, and here is the orders 2 by 1. So here we see that 2 by 1, so here is also 2 rows and 1 column. So easily suggest predict the what will be the order of the answer multiplication answer. So you can easily multiply the substance. Taking another example, you can easily understand. So here's the A 2 4 5 7, and is the second is the B 1 2 3 4. So multiply, it is possible because both have order same, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, it is possible. So we multiply here. So we take in the first row first column, so first member will multiply with the first member, 2 multiply by 1, and the second one will multiply the second member of the column. So here is the same row, we use the plus, so 4 multiply by 3, 4 multiply by 3. So now it is not completely multiply with the second method, here is the second column is remains, so this first row will be multiplied with the second row. We use a first row when we multiply first row with second column, so here we start the second column, rows the same, first row, so here is the rows the same, but column is changed, so we start from is a new second column. So this first member will multiply with the first member, 2 multiply by 2, and the second member we use the plus, second member will be multiplied with the second member. So first row is completely divided with the second matrices. Now second row remains, so second row will multiply with the second matrices. So this is the here's the first member will be multiplied with the first member, and second member will be multiplied with the second member. First row first second row first column multiply. Now this is the second column, we use second row, rows the same but columns the change, so we'll write upon here. So 5 multiplied by 2 and plus 7 multiplied by 4. So here we see that multiplied all are the same. Here we see all are the same, so it is the correct multiplication. So right here 2 multiplied by 1, so here is a 2 plus 12, 2 2s are 4 and 16, 5 1s are 5, 7 3s are 21, 2 10 and 28. So it is a 14, it's a 20, it is a 26, it is a 38. So in this way you can easily multiply the matrices. So simply first you check the possibility. So how we can check the possibility? So you should know about the number of columns of the first matrices and the number of rows of second matrices. If equal means multiplication is possible. After that how can we multiply? So we take the rows of first columns and multiply it is the columns of second matrices in this way. So easily by order 3 by 3 or 3 by 4 you can every multiplication will be possible easily. So thank you. If you are new at my channel, you subscribe my channel and push the icon button, never update by the upcoming videos. Thank you.